So now we are in improve phase. If you remember, throughout Six Sigma, we are using an equation called y is equal to function of x. Let us recollect this again. Y is nothing but the effect or the problem that we are trying to solve, and x is nothing but causes that are responsible for this effect. Our entire focus in define phase is on defining y. Our focus in measure phase is in measuring the y, quantifying the y. In analyze phase, we shift our focus from y to x, that means from effect to causes. Which are the causes which are responsible for this effect? And what is the process that we follow? A very simple process that we follow. We follow a funneling process where we have many causes and then we filter it down to few selected root causes. How do we select these root causes? We perform data analysis and validate these root causes. So now we exactly know what is the cause and effect relationship. How do we go ahead now? So now in improve phase, our entire focus is on changing the level of the x so that there is a positive impact on y, or y improves at a desired level. How do we do this? So we follow a simple process. Here again, our entire focus is on generating the solutions and filtering down and coming down to few solutions which will have positive impact on the y. Goals of improve phase. Goals of improve phase are nothing but we will have lot of solutions initially, then we will filter it down through cost benefit and risk analysis. We will perform some kind of pilot studies and we will have full scale implementation plans. Deliverables in improve phase will be list of potential solutions, list of probable solutions after cost benefit and risk analysis, completed and evaluated pilot studies, and if possible completed and evaluated full scale implementation with data. So how do we follow this improve phase? Again, we follow a funneling process. Let's say for example, initially through brainstorming we will have around 20 to 25 solutions. Then we will filter down this to few solutions by performing cost benefit and risk analysis. Let's say we come down to around 8 to 10 solutions then. And then we perform a pilot study or some trials wherever possible, wherever practical. Once we perform the pilot or trial, then we will exactly know what level of x that we change so that there is a positive impact on the y. And then we will have few selected solutions for full scale implementation. So this is a funneling process that we follow. So let's say for example around 20 solutions, we come down to around 3 to 5 solutions through this funneling process. We have to remember one thing here, that in the analyze phase we did brainstorming. Here also we are using brainstorming, but both the brainstormings are different. The participants for both the brainstorming can be different. In analyze phase, our brainstorming was for identifying the causes. So there we need more of a logical thinking. In improve phase, our entire brainstorming is not for identifying cause and effect relationship, but identifying solutions which we don't know. So maybe we need out of the box thinking. So in improve phase, when you perform brainstorming sessions, you may need some kind of creative people, creative ideas. We will use some kind of creative techniques to identify the solution.